With the new year only days away, renters here in California are about to receive a number of new legal protections. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Marcella Lee.
I'm Jesse Pagan. Beginning in 2024, tenants as well as people trying to rent an apartment will benefit from several new laws that will be going into effect. One of the most significant centers around how much Californians will have to come up with for their security deposit, which can often lead to several $1,000s.
But as CBS 8's Richard Allen finds, many landlords are not on board with these new rules.
And California and San Diego in particular have some of the highest rents in the entire nation. And that, of course, translates to excessively high security deposits that would-be tenants have to come up with to secure an apartment. But this new law will cap that security deposit at 1 month's rent.
I think it's an excellent idea. I think it should be done. People living in San Diego need help.
Linda Vista resident Phyllis Sullivan is passionately in support of Assembly Bill 12, which beginning in July of 2024 will prohibit landlords from charging more than a month's rent as deposit. With the average rent for a one-bedroom in San Diego now at $2,400 according to Zillow, that deposit can now range from $4,800 to $7,200 or even more, often depending on your credit score.
Nobody has that big hunk of cash to lay down to get into an apartment, usually.
Any act to help people trying to get a new home or new place, I'm all for it.
Anthony Hardage is currently a renter, but would like to buy a home soon.
People can't afford, the current situation that they're going through. It's really hard, the economics and everything. And, I feel for a lot of people out there. I'm one of them trying to find a new home, and it's just tough. It's tough out there.
Many property owners, though, are opposed to this new law, warning that capping how much landlords can charge up front could lead to more rental housing being pulled from the market. With the California Apartment Association saying, quote, further limiting a property owner's ability to financially cover property damage or unpaid rent is an unfair imposition for rental housing providers. This isn't the only new law coming on board to help renters. Starting in 2024, landlords won't be able to evict tenants based on calls to law enforcement or suspected criminal activity. And in April, property owners will have a harder time evicting tenants if the landlord or their family members want to move in. San Diegans like Phyllis Sullivan say the more support for renters, the better.
We all need to help. We need to help.
And for more information on these new laws impacting renters, as well as a number of other new laws coming on board in the new year, just go to CBS8.com.